Hello, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Mayor Jay Hurley with the city of Leesburg, and what an exciting time it is. I love this time of year because it's the one time we all take a moment to reflect that one day there was a Savior that was born, and the whole world just takes a moment to recognize it. We're here today with the Leesburg Swing Band, and it's going to be an exciting event for you. I'm excited about what you're going to hear and see. You're going to be surprised because you got something this great right here in our very own background. We're on set right now on location at First Christian Church. I want to tell Pastor McCann, thank you so much for what he has done to allow us to come into his church and to hear the sounds of the season. So right now we're going to go right into the production and let you hear just how good they are as they play Charlie Brown Christmas. Take it away, guys. Hello, I'm Jay Hurley, and we're taking just a small break in the middle of our program to take a time to introduce you to some of the key people that make all these things happen. With me today is Gabe Fielder, and Gabe Fielder is the music director for the Leesburg High School. And Gabe, you've got some wonderful, exciting stuff that's going on, and I'm very proud of how the band is representing the city of Leesburg and showing off our community, if you will. Tell me about it.
Well, thanks. First of all, a lot of people are familiar with our marching band, obviously because of parades and football games. But what a lot of folks don't know is that we have 7 different performing groups as part of the band program. Wow. We have 2 concert bands. We have 2 jazz bands. This is our top group with the older kids. And we also have a percussion ensemble and a color guard that performs, in addition to the Swarm of Sound marching band. Okay. So we were invited this year to a national level event.
Now that's huge because that's only like, what? How many teams? 8?
Well, there's 8 bands in the whole country, and that's probably out of, I think, a conservative estimate of high school bands in the nation is about 5,000 or 6,000.
That speaks volumes.
So we're one of 8, right? And we were one of only 100 to be invited to even apply for the thing. So it wasn't an open casting call. You had to have a reputation to begin with to be invited to apply. And a lot of people think that it's the marching band that's earned us that accolade, and that's actually not the case. It's one of our concert bands, our top group called the Wind Ensemble. And they're fantastic, and their reputation was such that we got noticed by a few folks on the selection committee, and they said, hey, invite them to apply, and if they apply, we want them to come.
Now, we're speaking about how many students that are playing in that.
Well, this time, normally we do kind of like a varsity and a junior varsity group, 11th and 12th grade group, 9th and 10th. This year we're combining the entire band, and we're going to try and take everybody, because one thing that's important to me as a Leesburg native is that all kids have the opportunity to go. You know, we're a Title I school with all of the economic realities that go on with that. And the thought of just taking the kids that could afford to go and not taking the rest of the kids, that just didn't seem right. So we've reached out to the community, and honestly, we're within spitting distance of actually taking 100% of the kids with only about $50 out of their pocket.
Now, I know your bill was kind of high. It's $90,000, but when you think of over 100 kids that are getting to go and all the things that are encompassed on that 4-day event, $90,000 is really not that much. It averages out to about $800 a kid. And I know you're doing fundraisers for anybody out there that wants to help or didn't realize you needed some money. Can you give us a little quick how they can get a hold of you to help contribute to the cause and to represent?
Sure, you bet. We have a website. It is band2dc.com. band2dc.com.
Mr. Fielder, I appreciate it. You're doing a fabulous job. I know that's the kid, that's really not you, but getting back to it, we want to hear some more music just like you do, so we're going to go into our production right now.
jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing are bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle and a jingling beat, that's the Jingle Bell Rock. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up a swing, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle and a jingling beat, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Wow, I hope you've been enjoying the sounds of the season. You guys are doing a fabulous job. I mean, it is incredible, the talent that is behind me. And now, joining us is the director, the band director, the hot dog, the main lady, the big cheese, if you will. This is Chaz, and you know I'm going to slaughter your last name. Come on.
Ionasi.
Ionasi, see there? And she is actually the director of the Leesburg Swing Band, and your guys are unreal, and your ladies. Tell us about it.
Thank you. Well, what you're seeing in the swing band is the upper skill set jazz band of 2 jazz bands we have. Our younger group is called the Big Band, and our top group who does all the professional gigs is the Swing Band. And we use the name Big Band and Swing Band because of the style of music that we play. We're not really a jazz band, we're a big band, or a swing band.
Wow. So what else is exciting besides the fact of what you are? Tell me what you're doing. Give me some ideas of some things that's coming up. Besides the D.C. trip that they're making, tell me about some of the events coming here with the Swing Band.
Well, the Swing Band in particular this year, we did Channel 6 Sound of the Season taping last week. They did South Point Christmas Under the Stars with Tavares Jazz Band, which was a great experience to combine the two. And we did Hawthorne Community. We did a Christmas luncheon for them Friday. And then they went into marching band mode and did 2 parades on Saturday. And then we're here today taping for our Swing in the Holidays series of concerts. We will be this Thursday on the square with the Clydesdales, ushering in the Clydesdales, and then we do a swing in the springtime. But they've done 16 gigs in 35 days is what the group's been doing.
Very nice. Well, we're going to let you get back down in front of them so we can keep on hearing the sounds of the season. Thank you so much for teaching our kids the way you do. It's definitely working, and the talent is there, so we benefit in the community, and we're excited. Are you ready to hear some more music? Let's turn it over to the students. We really hope that you've enjoyed the sounds of the season brought to you by the Leesburg High School Swing Band. They have done a fabulous job, and I hope they've helped usher you into the time of the season, and you've enjoyed every minute of it as I had. This has been our gift to you from our home to your house as the City of Leesburg and Lakefront TV, in partnership with the Leesburg High School, has tried to bring a little joy into your day. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Merry Christmas.